WhatsApp is a popular messaging application used for communicating with people around the world. Sometimes, we want to share our current location with friends or family so they know where we are or to help them find a specific place. Fortunately, WhatsApp makes it easy to share your location with others. We will show you how to do it. Open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Select the person or group to whom you want to send your location. Within the chat, tap the attachment icon, usually an icon for attachments or a paperclip. From the drop-down menu, select Location. Allow WhatsApp access to your location by clicking on Continue. Choose when WhatsApp can access your location. You can select one of 3 options. While using the app, only this time, or don't allow. We will choose the while using the app option. Click on OK. Allow again WhatsApp to use your location. We need to do this in the settings. Click on this button here to allow. Now, you can choose between Share Live Location or Send Your Current Location, depending on how you want to share your location. We will choose the Send Your Current Location option by clicking on it. And your location is sent in the chat. We hope you enjoyed the video. Support us and follow our channel.